dentro de poco. Dentro de poco. Dentro is a preposition of place. Well, it can be an adverb, but dentro, adentro is similar. It's pretty much the same word, and it means inside. Okay, it's inside. When you say dentro de, well, you're adding more to the sentence, right? Dentro de la bolsa, inside of the bag. Okay, you need de. In this situation, we're adding poco. Poco, dentro de poco. So what does this mean? What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? Do you know? Do you know this phrase? This phrase means soon. Soon. It's quite interesting that dentro de poco means soon. It doesn't mean inside of a little or inside of a few, right? It doesn't make sense. So that's why translating Spanish from, Spanish or English into Spanish and the other way around, it doesn't work all the time because we have these phrases that are so different, are so different. But dentro de poco means soon, when something will happen soon or not soon, okay? I mean, it depends on how you use it, right? If you say dentro de poco no habrá comida, there's not gonna be food anytime soon. Okay, so you can use it in a negative or positive way, of course, but dentro de poco means soon. For example, I can say, el sol saldrá dentro de poco. El sol saldrá dentro de poco. By the way, you cannot say adentro de poco because dentro, adentro are usually used, like you can use either one and they mean the same thing, inside. But when you're saying this phrase, when you're using this phrase, it has to be dentro de poco. Okay. El sol saldrá dentro de poco. What does this mean? This means the sun will rise soon. So the sun will show up soon. Will be up there soon. So yes, el sol. I believe you have to capitalize sun in Spanish. I mean in English. The sun. I'm not sure. I think so. Or not. Yeah. In Spanish, you don't have to. Just as in when you are using, the days of the week and months and all of that, you don't need to capitalize the first letter. So yeah. Okay, so in English, I see that you don't have to capitalize the sun. I mean the S. Well, I don't know. Let's just leave it like that. Like this. Okay, el sol means the sun, okay? Hang on a second. Hang on. El sol, the sun. Saldrá comes from the verb salir, which means to get out, or when something will appear, For example, if you are at a theater, you're gonna see something at the theater. When the actors come out, you can use the verb salir. They're coming out. They're on the stage. So salir, saldrá, salir to be out. Salir is such a verb with so many meanings. It means to go out, to leave, to come out, to get out. So yeah, it has quite a few minutes, but essentially you're just saying something is coming out. Okay, so in this situation it means will rise because the sun rises, right? Dentro de poco, soon. El sol saldrá dentro de poco. The sun will rise soon. So it's very simple. Dentro de poco means soon. You can use this phrase as well by itself. If someone is asking you, are you ready? ¿Estás listo? ¿Estás lista? Are you ready? Dentro de poco. Soon. You can also say pronto, which is another way to say soon in Spanish, and it's faster to say pronto than dentro de poco. But, if you want to add more to your Spanish vocabulary, you can say this as well. Dentro de poco. Soon.